Hey guys, Scott Hudgins here with Dodd RV. Today we're looking at a brand new 2026 Grand Design Imagine XLS. It's the 25RLE. Great couples floor plan, rear lounge area. Let's get started, take a look. Hey guys, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip at the slide in so you can see what you do and don't have access to in travel. Always remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a camper on. Be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Check down in the description. I have all your specs, holding tank sizes, and measurements. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, as soon as you walk in, you got your slide out with your theater seat, side hallway. Standing up front, looking back, that rear dinette, your bathroom, and then we're going to start in the master bedroom. And what's nice here is you've got your own entry door. You've got full walk around space around the bed. The cubby holes, you've got charging, soft touch headboard. Lighting under the bed, you got shocks, a little slide shelf, power cord. On either side, you've got hanging storage, cubby holes, and drawers. Shocks that hold those up, soft close cabinet doors with magnets. You've got blackout roller shades, fire escape window. You also have another storage area and drawers, your fuse panel, heat ducts in the wall. Your light does have a dimmer. AC for the bedroom. It's got its own thermostat. You do have a spot for a TV. Magnet for this door. And then you've got another door closing off the bathroom. Bathroom-wise, a lot of countertop, cubby holes, foot flush toilet, and you got the heat duct down low. You do have an AC duct in the bathroom. Towel bars. I'm 6'5". My head is touching in the skylight. So shorter than that, 6'3" or smaller is ideal. Retractable shower door here. And then you've got thermostat for your main AC, which is ducted. Linoleum throughout. In the slide beside the fridge, you got your pantry. Your kitchen, lots of countertop, oven, 3-burner range. Your sink cover, extended spray head. You've got a soap dispenser built in. Lots of storage. Again, magnets, soft close with the glass front. You've got lighting, touch lighting there, receptacles, a lot of space for a coffee pot, crock pot, toaster oven. Spot for a trash can built in, pots and pans drawer, and you've got nice drawers throughout here. Again, roller shades. Your exhaust does exhaust outside. LED lights on the oven. Microwaves at a good height. At the end, you've got drawers that pull out, so great storage here. Your TV's on a swivel arm, so you can see it from the dinette or directly across at the theater seats. Theater seats have footrest. They've got cup holders, charging area, windows that open with those roller shades. 12-volt refrigerator freezer in the slide with the safety lock for travel. Booth dinette drops down to make a bed. This is your second bed. So you're sleeping 3, maybe even 4 at this. if you're not sleeping on the dinette or the theater seats. Cubby holes when you come in, huge drawers, motion sensor nightlight and receptacles. Again, windows for good cross breeze throughout. Overhead cabinets with magnets and shocks. As soon as you come in, the JBL sound system, Bluetooth to that. The Compass Connect, control your slide, your awning, check your holding tanks, your lights, all from one convenient area. This brand new 2026 Grand Design Imagine XLS, it's the 25RLE. Great couples floor plan. To work our way outside, take a look out there. All right, there's the front cap, the model number on the tongue jack, spot for 2 batteries. It will come with 1. Got your rock guard, 2 20-pound LP bottles. You've got, they got it hooked with a chain, but you got a spot for your chains and your 7-pin, like so. You've got a magnet that holds up your compartment doors, pass-through storage, non-skid flooring, your LED lights, your dock for your TPMS, your tire monitoring, the outside shower, battery and solar disconnect. They even give you the little chuck for your jacks, so you can use your drill, solar controller, receptacle, cable hookup, feed everything right here through the bottom. And then you can keep this door shut. Look at that aluminum frame. And you get 2 latches in addition to the lock. 25 RLE's got a dry weight of 6,074 pounds. You got your black and gray pull valves, dual axles, Goodyear Endurance tires, tinted windows. We are looking at a 50 amp service. There are those rear jacks, factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. So up on the roof, 2 ACs, roof vent, skylight. There's that solar panel, TV antenna, top of your slide out. You're prepped for a backup camera, backside of your hot water heater. You've got a black tank flush and an outside shower, which will spray off both sets of steps. Full length power awning covers both doors, and you got the assist in the middle to keep that tube longevity, not allowing it to sag or fill up with water over time. Large assist handle on both doors, exhaust for your range, your cable and power. We mentioned Goodyear Endurance tires. They are 14-inch. You got a LP Quick Connect underneath. The front door goes into the bedroom. Both have screen doors. Again, non-skid flooring. You got a hand crank in addition to that chuck I showed you for the drill. And here's the hookup for that spray port, whether in the pass-through or in the back. Your brand new 2026 Grand Design Imagine XLS. It's the 25 RLE. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any of the other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, as promised, slide in. You're not getting to the bathroom. You're going through the front door to get into the bathroom and the bedroom. But through the living area door, you got full access to the fridge, full access to the freezer, no issues whatsoever.